Hi friends, welcome to the Velocity tutorial. In this video, I am going to explain about how to generate PDF with DocGen integration procedure. Now let's talk about the integration procedure. This is the out-of-the-box integration procedure in which remote action will be there. That remote action is also an out-of-the-box class in which document will be generated asynchronously. In the previous video I have explained about PDF action. If you are not gone through the video, please go through the video so that I have explained disadvantages with the PDF action. In the PDF action, it will take almost 20 to 25 seconds to generate one PDF every time. In the DocGen we have an advantage, like we can also reduce the time, since it can be run in asynchronous mode. Now how to get the out of the box IP, we'll see now. Now we need to navigate to the velocity templates. After that, if we click this down arrow button, we will be having DocGen. Install DocGen sample. This is a like installation package, I can say. If I click on this, then this will be start importing the out of the box IPs and DRs for that particular functionality. This documents can be generated in like with token data and without token data. These are the out of the box things, or these are the out of the box things by which we can generate the PDF. This we need integration procedure. Here we have three integration procedure. What to choose now? Generate document. This is the only simple generating document asynchronously. This is generating document PDF. This will generate like Word document. This will be generating the PDF. It's a static PDF. This will be the with token data. Generate document with token data means whatever the data we will be passing, that will be reflect in this PDF. So we need to choose this as a to download. Let's download everything for now. If we clicking on next, it will be importing all the data wrappers and IPs. After once it is downloaded, we need to navigate to the particular integration procedure so that we can see the integration procedure there. By that time, we need to concentrate on like PDF should be generated. If for PDF generation, we need to have sample template here. Like PDF action, we will be using Adobe Acrobat, but here we need to use sample template to generate the PDF. Let's create that template. For simplicity, I have already created the template here. See, this is a template where name, email, phone number I'm going to print. The tag should be in the double brackets, the open bracket 2 times and close bracket 2 times. In that, whatever the tag you need to give, you'll give, that should be mapped in the data wrapper. The name I have given, email I have given, phone I have given. Now let's go to the organ. Let's see what to do with this document. Now we need to go to the documents tab. Now we need to go to the velocity template document. Velocity document template will, it's an reuse, it will have a reusable templates we can use across the product. Now if we click on new, we can able to create the velocity document template record. Here we need to create velocity document template record. This template will be used everywhere, uh, wherever this same template, if required in multiple places, we are going to use this template everywhere. Now let's see this one, whether it is still importing this package. Meanwhile, we'll create one data wrapper here, which is transform data wrapper should be there. Yes, the download of the package is done. Then if I click on next, it will be activating now. All whatever the required components will be activated. And here if we try to create the transform data wrapper here, you see data wrapper interface should be transformed. Input type JSON, output type should be document template, as we are giving a document template here, so we need to have a document template here, and target output should be the document template whatever we are creating here. Now let's create a demo template here. Demo template I'm creating, and I want to upload Microsoft Word. So here the option will come like browse. Now I'll close this, whatever I have created I will just close to upload here. Now what it is like JSON based, or we need to give this whatever the mappings, token mappings we are going to do, that is JSON only. Next, data wrapper mapping bundle, mapping data wrapper name, whatever the data wrapper will be creating here, that we are going to map here. First create this, otherwise we'll get an error there. Once document template will create, then we can edit again, and we can give the target output as a document PDF, document template. Now I have given this one. Extract data wrapper I will leave, every rest of everything I'll be leaving like as is. Now I am uploading the document, the template document where I have done this. See, this is a sample template I have showed you. Now I am uploading, save template. Sometimes while uploading this document, we are going to get an error if we don't have specific permission. I'll show how to give permission to this document template. Now I have done the install. Now we need to go to this, we need to switch to classic to give that permission. Switch to classic. It is successfully saved. This document is successfully saved. Sometimes there might be chance of not saving this document. Now if we go to the plus icon in the highlight panel, we will be getting libraries. Libraries is an object where we can find here, see libraries. Here in libraries we need to give permission to the document template designer. Let's open that. Here we need to select velocity document template, so we can see the permissions for related to the velocity document template. When I upload, I didn't got any error because I have already given permission to my user. See, here the member should be, we need to add members as a like library document administrator should be the permission to the whichever member they are changing. We need to give this permission. Now if you want to add some other members, just click on add. You need to click on add, then if you type name, individual user name from your organization, then click on find, you will be getting the names, then select that name and click on add, then this will be moving to here, then click on next, then you will be getting what type of permission you need. From the drop down, just select library administrator, that's it. Then you can able to upload the documents here. Since I have added my user here so I can able to create this record. Now let's create this data wrapper completely. Now I click edit, because I need to link this data wrapper to this document template. For that, transform input type, output type is document. Now target output is, this is a demo template which I have created version 1. Correct? If you see here, demo template, it is, I'm activating this one. This is version 1. So I will be getting name here, then I will save this one. As soon as I saved here, I can see target output PDF as demo PDF, demo template. Now I want to map everything to that one. So just I'll click here. Whatever the names I have, tag names I have given, it will come here. Name, I'll map like same name. I'll show what is this. I'll show what is this. Next, email, I'm mapping it. Same email. Phone, I will be mapping it. Phone. Now I have mapped three fields here. These are the document like document tags, and these are the input part what I'm going to pass in the IP. Now let's go to that IP from here. Now if we look into this, now if you go to that IP, whatever we have downloaded, that IP we need to choose from the list of IPs, that is with token data, DocGen with token data. This is the IP, and if I click on this the version 2, and also we need this document template ID as well to get this. For that I am opening workbench. See, this is the IP. This IP will has a remote action. It has a remote class and remote method. These are the out of the box. Object ID, whatever the object ID we pass, that for that object this generated PDF will be attached. This is a template ID. Whatever the template ID will pass, that template will generate as a PDF token data map. This is an important thing by which we are going to pass the token data. Now let's create a version of this so that we can change this. Now I'll be going to the sandbox. It's a production, sorry. As you said, training works. I'm choosing this as a production. Let's log into the workbench. Here it is generated. Now I need a transform data wrapper to generate the token data. It is failing, maybe. Let's refresh again. No, I need to query this document template in order to get the ID. Here we cannot find the ID of this document, so we are going to like query the record. velocity ins underscore document velocity document template is the name. Document template, yes, this is the name. I want to print all the names, all the records. It is 6 records. Um, select id name. Ours is demo template, so I am copying this name. I am copying this id so that I can place this id in um, here. We can pass this id here directly. So template id, because I have queried template id, so I'm taking this id. Now let's drag and drop transform data wrapper to set up the token data mainly. Now I'll create one data wrapper here. Token data setup, I have given the name for the data wrapper. Now data wrapper will be created. Here in this data wrapper, just I am creating the JSON to pass this JSON to the DocGen. Now I am giving same name whatever I have given in the in this data wrapper, which is attached to the document template. Email, name, phone. Email, but I'll be giving under one node like a token data column email. I'll give my email. Now I'll choose name. I'll also give phone number. I'll give only phone. I've given 10 numbers. Then here, as you know, the input JSON might be anything. For the simplicity, just I am giving the default values here, but you can give whatever the requirement you have. You can pass from here. Now this I will be passing from here to here. I'll choose this one. Then here I need to pass token data. Here I can pass this token data here. Token data map. Here I can take this token data, because entire these three things will go if I pass this node. That is the reason I have given this token data node, so that each, instead of giving each and everything, I can give under one node, so that I can pass this one node to the object, one node to the template. Now I'll be opening one contact, so that the record will be creating this attachment as an attachment for this contact. Let's open that record, and meanwhile this data vector will create the token data, and that will be passed to the here, and the title of the PDF just I'm giving DocGen PDF, DocGen PDF written as PDF through, because we need PDF. These are the elements we are passing, setting in the set values, and here we need to set title. It is coming from set values as we mentioned here, and the object ID we are going to give now. Template ID I have given, token data map is important, we have given that one. So I am choosing this contact, and giving this contact ID. Now object ID is whatever the object ID I have given, that generated PDF will attach to this object, and whatever the template I have given, that template will be taken from this document templates, velocity document templates, and token data map, whatever the token data map I will be setting here, that will be coming inside the token generated. Now let's try to create this thing here. No object ID I have given. We cannot, we don't need, no need to pass this object ID. Keep intermediate false. Let's keep this written as PDF. True. We need template ID. We have passed title, token data map. It is, we can remove these things now. Now let's run this. Let's see what is the output for this now. We can also use this IP inside our data records, inside our home list. Required parameter not found, output file format. We need to give output file format here. In set values, output file format, or else in the this class. Okay, it is not there. Just we'll give this one, output file format. We can add it in the option. Output file format should be PDF. Give us a PDF, all small. Then we'll try again. Now we should create server side doc generation is not enabled. For this we need some enable. We need to enable some things here to generate. Now setup,